Good day everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Keith.
I'm Carl.
I'm Joshua.
Hi, I am Kyle.
We are your math buddies.
For today's video, me and my friends will explain to you how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square.
Completing the square is another method of solving quadratic equation. This method involves transforming the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 into the form x minus h squared equals k, where k is greater than or equal to 0.
Our previous lesson about special products and factoring, square of binomial like x minus h squared is a factor or factors of perfect square trinomials like x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals x plus 2 squared, t squared plus 12t plus 36 equals t plus 6 squared, x squared minus 16x plus 64 equals x minus 8 squared. This concept of factoring perfect square trinomials will help us with our topic, because completing the square is just the same as transforming the left side of the quadratic equation to perfect square trinomials.
Can you determine the number to be added to make each expression a perfect square trinomials? To find the number to be added, we will use the formula b over 2 squared.
In number 1, b is 2. By using the formula b over 2 quantity squared, it becomes 2 over 2 quantity squared, which is equal to 1. The b in number 2 is 20, so it's 20 over 2 quantity squared, which is equal to 10 squared or 100. In number 3, b is negative 16. Negative 16 over 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 squared is 64. The b in number 4 is 11. 11 over 2 squared is 121 over 4.
In solving quadratic equations by completing the square, you must follow the following steps. 1. Divide both sides of the equations by a, then simplify. 2. Write the equation such that the terms with variables are on the left side of the equation and the constant term is on the right side. 3. Add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x on both sides. Add the resulting equation. 4. Express the perfect square trinomial on the left side of the equation as a square of a binomial. 5. Solve the resulting quadratic equations by extracting square roots. 6. Solve the resulting linear equation. 7. Check the solutions obtained against the original equation.
Now, let's try to solve this quadratic equation. 4x squared minus 32x equals negative 28.
To solve, divide both sides of the equation by 4. The result is x squared minus 8x equals negative 7. Find a number to be added to make x squared minus 8x a perfect square trinomial. Use the equation b over 2 quantity squared. Since b is negative 8, negative 8 over 2 quantity squared is equal to 16. Add 16 to both sides of the equation. Express the perfect square trinomial to a square of binomial. The result is x minus 4 quantity squared. Negative 7 plus 16 is 9. So, we have x minus 4 quantity squared equals 9. Solve the resulting equation by extracting square roots. Square root of x minus 4 quantity squared is x minus 4, and square root of 9 is plus and minus 3. X minus 4 equals plus and minus 3 is the result. Simplify further. This will become x minus 4 plus and minus 3. Separate the two values. We have x of 1 equals 4 plus 3 and x of 2 equals 4 minus 3. The final result is x of 1 equals 7 and x of 2 equals 1.
After applying the method of completing the square in solving the quadratic equation of 4x squared minus 32x equals negative 28. The roots are 7 and 1. Let's check using the original equation if we obtained the correct roots.
Substitute 1 and 7 to x in the original equation. 4x squared minus 32x equals negative 28. In x equals 1, 4 times 1 squared minus 32 times 1, is it equal to negative 28? 4 minus 32, is it equal to negative 28? Negative 28 is equal to negative 28. Let's check. In x equals 7, 4 times 7 squared minus 32 times 7, is it equal to negative 28? 196 minus 224, is it equal to negative 28? Negative 28 is equal to negative 28, and that's checked. Therefore, 1 and 7 are the roots of 4x squared minus 32x equals negative 28. Thank you guys for watching!
Bell.